There are two main interfaces to browse through the cataloged entries, the first of which is the tapestry. This interactive map allows you to pan and zoom into different sections. As you zoom further into each area, the points slowly expand, revealing pixelated patterns derived from weaving structures documented by Annie Albers in the late 1960s. Zooming further still, additional information is revealed about each entry. Limited excerpts offer a preview of the content contained, and clicking on an entry opens a modal containing its full description and additional meta information. In addition to being able to browse entries through this initial view which groups entries thematically, two alternative sorting methods can be toggled between. The first by category, which reveals the subcategorizations that have been assigned to each entry, and the second by time zone, providing a loose representation of the entry's location on Earth without an explicit demarcation of borders, states, or countries. Within all three views, filters can be applied to limit the themes or categories being shown. As these filters are added, the tapestry responds to the quantity of entries that match the filter parameters, revealing more or less of the individual entries' patterns and text as space allows. You will also notice the background shape layer shifts in color, scale, and density. The shapes each correspond with the categories applied to each entry and represent the occurrence of each category, either in relation to the theme they are occurring within or in relation to the total number of entries present. As you apply different filters, the website saves these combinations, providing a history of how you've used the site and allow you to quickly return to previous combinations of filters. There is also a predictive search that can be used to further refine the entries visible to you when browsing. The index view provides an accessible alternative to browsing the entries, allowing for the same application of filters and search terms within an indexical format. In addition to the filter controls, there are also toggleable headings that allow you to sort the returned entries by year, name, contributor, category, or theme. I want to end with a brief thought and question that occurred to me as we worked on this project. Web design is beholden to the monoculture created by big tech companies. User interaction paradigms, our expectation of how virtual space should look and feel, are trained through monopolization of the market. For example, I wonder how many of us will be accessing the site on our iPhone or Android device. It also makes me wonder how a project like this could continue to evolve if it existed on a piece of custom hardware, something built for and within the community it represents.